विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मागच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशनचे डेफिनेशन, अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशनच्या nth टर्मसाठी फॉर्म्युला बघितला. काय फॉर्म्युला बघितला आपण? Tn इज इक्वल टू a प्लस n मायनस 1 इंटू d, व्हेअर a इज द फर्स्ट टर्म अँड d इज द कॉमन डिफरन्स. देन nth टर्म दॅट इज Tn इज इक्वल टू a प्लस bracket n minus 1 into d. Now we are going to see sum of the first n terms. Sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Sum of first n terms of an AP. Here we can find sum of numbers, first n numbers. If we have given any arithmetic progression, then by using this formula we can find sum of first n terms, means first 50 terms, first 100 terms, or any other. Here we have to consider, let arithmetic progression is, if we consider that first term t1 is equal to a, second term t2 is equal to a plus d, then third term will be a plus 2d, fourth term will be a plus 3d, dash dash dash, and last term will be a plus n minus 1 into d, that is nth term. Now if we do sum of all these numbers, let it called as Sn, sum of n terms, then we will get a plus d plus dash 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 plus a plus n minus 2 into d. It will be last second term, that is n minus 2th term, and nth term will be here a plus n minus 1 into d. If we rewrite the above sum by reversing order, then it will be Sn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is nth term, last term. Then last second term will be a plus n minus 2, a plus n minus 2 into d plus dash 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 plus a plus d and plus a. Here if we add above two equations or above two sums, add above two equations, Sn plus Sn is equal to 2Sn is equal to, here a plus n minus 1 into d, that is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then second term a plus d plus a plus n minus 2 into d, a plus a 2a, d plus n minus 2 into d, here d is common, here 1 and n minus 2 will be in bracket, therefore n minus 2 plus 1, that is n minus 1, and d is common. all brackets will be similar, plus dash 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 plus again last term will be a plus n minus 1 into d means 2a plus n minus 1 into d n times. It will same n times. Therefore 2Sn is equal to n times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore n is equal to, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It is the formula for sum of n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here if we write, we can write above formula as Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a plus n minus 1 into d is tn and a is t1, that is first term. Therefore Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket a means t1 and a plus n minus 1 into d means tn. It is second formula for nth term. If we have given first term and last term, then we can use this formula. If we have given first term, common difference and total number of terms, then we can use this formula to find sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. Now we will solve some examples by using this formula. First example we will take, find the sum of all odd numbers from 1 to 150 here all odd numbers from 1 to 150 are 1, 3, 5, dash 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 149. It is therefore it is arithmetic progression having a is equal to 1, d is equal to 3 minus 1 or 5 minus 3, that is 2. Therefore if we use here formula for tn, that is nth term, tn is equal to 149, tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, then nth term is 149 is equal to a, that is 1, plus n minus 1. We have to find all terms. How many terms? How many odd numbers are between 1 to 150 and d is equal to 2. Therefore 149 is equal to n plus 2n minus 2. Therefore 149 is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2n. Therefore 2n is equal to 149 plus 1. Therefore 2n is equal to 150. Therefore n is equal to 150 upon 2 is equal to 75. Now a is equal to 1, d is equal to 2, n is equal to 75. Therefore formula for sum is Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore S75, how many numbers are there? 75 is equal to 75 upon 2 into bracket 2 into a 1 plus n minus 1, 75 minus 1 into d 2. Therefore S75 is equal to 75 upon 2. We will solve this bracket. 2 plus 74 into 2. Therefore S75 is equal to 75 upon 2 into bracket here 2 plus 74 into 2 148. Therefore S75 is equal to 75 upon 2 into 150. Therefore S75 is equal to 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10 is equal to 75 into 75. Therefore S75 is equal to 5625. Square of 75 is 5625. Therefore sum of all odd numbers between 1 to 150 is 5625. Sorry. We will see some examples from practice set 3.3. Let we take second example, that is find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. First 123 even natural numbers. Here arithmetic progression of the first 123 even natural numbers is, the first even natural number is 2, 4, 6 dash dash dash, and last even natural number will be 123 into 2, that is 246. Therefore a is equal to 2, then d is equal to also 2, and n is equal to 123, that is 123rd even natural number is 146. Therefore, by using directly formula of Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, S 123 is equal to 123 upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1, that is 123 minus 1 into d 2. Therefore, S 123 is equal to 123 upon 2, 2 into 2 4 plus 122 minus 1, 123 minus 1, 122 into 2 is equal to 123 upon 2 into bracket 4 plus 144 is equal to 123 upon 2 into bracket 148. Therefore, it will be 123 into, here if we divide 148 by 2, we will get 74 into 74, and this multiplication will be 15,252. Therefore, sum of first 123 even natural numbers is 15,252. Then homework. Solved examples on page number 70 and 71. Also solve example number 1, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 5 from practice set 3.3. Thank you.